Alright, everybody. I fucking came to A&W today. And I fucking ordered too much food, man. I ate fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ordered like 16 burgers and I only ate 6. I got like 10 left. Or like 8. I gave 2 to the fucking this motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. And just don't try this at home, cause fucking I feel like I'm gonna die.
Easy ate not one too as well.
No, and this guy ate one.
Yeah,
Is Master Flex. There's a bunch of Hindus camel riding shit skins over there.
You ate 3. Yeah, you ate 2 and a half.